Welcome to our channel. Today, we're walking you through how to get approved for PayPal credit instantly with a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log in to your PayPal account. Go to your PayPal dashboard. You must have a verified PayPal account before applying for PayPal credit. Step 2. Navigate to PayPal Credit. Scroll to the PayPal Credit section or search for it in the menu. Click Apply Now. Step 3. Enter your personal information. Provide your date of birth, income details, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Review the terms and conditions. Read through the credit agreement so you understand the interest rates, payment expectations, and promotional financing offers. Step 5. Submit your application. Click Agree and Apply. PayPal will run a quick credit check, and most applicants receive an instant decision within seconds. Step 6. Start using PayPal Credit. If approved, your PayPal credit line will appear immediately in your account. You can start using it for eligible purchases right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.